G'day, how's it going? So today we're heading out for a little walk, and I thought I'd show you one of the reasons why we chose to live in one of the busiest parts of Bangkok. And it's not because of Soi Cowboy, although that's where we're walking through now, and I'm sure some of you might choose to live close by this. So stick around and we'll take you on a leisurely walk and show you why we like this area. One of the reasons is we get to walk this park whenever we want. It's within sort of a 12 or 15 minute walk from our condo, so yeah, have a look at this. It's 20 past 5, so seems to be the ideal time to come and take a photo of yourself. So come for a leisurely walk around and see if you can spot how many people are taking photos. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Miles. ครับผมประกวดเหรอกูนะ
Got some pedal boats there. They're free to use and you get them for an hour, and they finish up at about 5:30, so finished up now, it's just after 5:30. And the fountain should come on shortly. Got to head down here. Dan wants to take a photo. Let's get a closer look at one of these things. I know if we went out on them, I'd be doing all the pedalling. That's why we don't hire tandem push bikes.
I'm ignoring that comment.
But it's definitely a nice time of the day to come to the park, especially this time of the year. So if you're in Bangkok, see if you can come down around 5 p.m. and you'll catch the sunset. It's just a nice relaxing walk around the lake. Got enough photos? Well, that was our casual, easy walk around the park. It's easy to get here. It's only about 6 or 7 minutes to Terminal 21 that way. So if you enjoyed our little easy walk around the park, then hit that like button. And if you want to see some more of Bangkok and around, then maybe hit that subscribe button. And these steps, they're everywhere. Just down here we've got the, attached to the park is the dog park. And they've just done this walkway, although it hasn't opened yet. You'll be able to walk all the way to Lumpini Park. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.